In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of importing presets in Adobe Premiere Pro quickly and easily. Before you can import presets into Premiere Pro, you need to have the preset files ready. Check if the presets are in a zip file. If so, unzip the file to access the preset format files. Presets typically come in .prf preset format for effects or MOGRT for motion graphics templates. Now open Adobe Premiere Pro. To import your presets, you'll need to find the right panel. Go to the window menu in the top menu bar. Select Effects to open the Effects panel, if it isn't already visible. Now that you have the Effects panel open, you can import the preset files. Go to Presets tab over here. Right-click within the Effects panel. Select Import Presets from the context menu. Navigate to the location where you saved your preset files. Select them. Click Open. Find the imported presets in the Effects panel under the Presets folder. And voila! By following the steps, you can easily bring your creative visions to life with the help of presets. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.